What's up guys, Alex over here with my kids at Walmart, and today we're at the bicycle section and look what we got over here. Let's see what we got. For starters, we have two of this new Ozark Trail gravel bikes. There's one over here on the bottom, one over here on the top, and next to it we have a aluminum comp, and that's not the only one. We have another one right over oh, look at that woman's comp. There's another aluminum comp right there, and there's a bunch of these Ozark Trails, the black ones. I have not seen the black ones before. They're one buys. That one has a 19-inch frame and not bad, with the taper head tube. I don't even know what the name of this is, but it says $298. The aluminum comp, wonder how much they got it for. I don't see a price tag. Another one of those black ones, 19-inch frame. That one has a discount because of the tube. This one is flat and it has a $60 discount. Not bad if you're into these type of bikes. What else do we have? Mande, amor. There's two more over here. Regular price, that one. I don't see a frame size on this one, but this one is a 27.5, as well as this one. So what is this one then? Is this also 27.5 as well? The Trail Vive, that's a large one, 27.5. What about this one? So they're all 27.5 for what I can see. And aluminum comp, 27.5. They're my kids. She likes the skateboard. It's another gravel bike, I guess. What brand is this? 700 cc's a Kent, but he has the threaded, the quill stem. So I stay away from that. But these Ozark Trails, they're actually calling my attention a lot. But I already have the Poseidon, so that's why I haven't bought it. But if you guys want to see me getting to one of these, let me know and I'll probably make something work. But other than that, that's our local Walmart. Let's ride.